In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Word line spacing. Whether you're drafting an essay, putting together a report, or simply want your document to look a certain way, adjusting the line spacing can significantly impact the readability and overall aesthetic of your work. Let's dive in and discover how to customize your document's line spacing within just about 5 minutes. First things first, we'll need to get Microsoft Word open on your computer. To do this, you'll want to start at the very beginning, the Windows Start menu. You'll find the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen, symbolized by the Windows icon. A simple click on this icon will bring up a variety of options and applications. Once the Start menu is open, your next step is to locate Microsoft Word quickly. To make this process smoother, there's a handy feature at your disposal, the search bar. Within the Start menu, you'll see a bar where you can type. Go ahead and enter Word into this search bar. As you type, Windows will begin to filter through the apps, bringing Microsoft Word up as a top choice for you to select. After typing Word and seeing the application pop up, it's time to launch it. Click on Microsoft Word from the search results to open the program. Now that you've got Word up and running, we'll navigate to the home stretch where the magic happens. Upon opening Word, you may already have a document you're working on, or you're starting fresh. Either way, you'll be at the Word home screen, ready to adjust the line spacing to meet your needs. If you're working on an existing document, go ahead and open it now. Right-clicking on the document will be your next move. This action will bring up a contextual menu filled with various options. But the one you're interested in is labelled Paragraph. It might seem a little tucked away, but this is where all the layout magic happens, including our quest for changing line spacing. So after right-clicking and seeing the menu, click on Paragraph. A new dialog box will appear with several tabs and options that seem a bit overwhelming at first glance. However, fear not, because our focus narrows to one primary area, line spacing. Within this dialog box, you'll find a section or a drop-down menu labelled exactly that. This menu is where you get to command how your document's lines interact with each other, whether you want them cozy and close together, a standard distance apart, or with more generous spacing for clarity and ease of reading. Once you've found the line spacing drop-down menu, click on it to see your options. You might choose single, 1.5 lines, double, and several other presets, or possibly customize it to a specific requirement. After selecting the line spacing that suits your document best, the only step left is to confirm your choice. Do this by simply clicking OK at the bottom of the paragraph dialog box. Congratulations, you've successfully adjusted the line spacing in your Microsoft Word document. This seemingly small change can make a world of difference in how your document's text presents itself to readers, contributing significantly to readability and the overall look of your pages. Remember, playing around with line spacing can also help you meet specific formatting requirements, whether it's for a school assignment, a business report, or even just personal preference for your written projects. With your newfound knowledge, you're well on your way to mastering the fine details of Microsoft Word, making your documents stand out for all the right reasons, and just like that, you've mastered another essential skill in Microsoft Word. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different line spacings to see what works best for your documents. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to guiding you through more useful tips and tricks in future videos. Happy writing!